A short story of Kano, a tiger, and Kiwi, a curious bird. In a vast jungle lived a powerful tiger named Kano. Kano, on the other hand, was known for his hunting prowess. One day, Kano saw a kiwi, a curious bird, perched on a branch, and a mischievous idea crossed his mind. Kano slowly approached, his eyes fixed on Kiwi. Sensing danger, Kiwi's heart raced just as Kano was about to pounce. Kiwi shouted, "Wait, I have a riddle for you." Riddle? Surprised, Kano paused. Kiwi continued, "If you answer correctly, you can have me. If not, I fly away." Kano, intrigued, agreed a challenge. Kiwi asked, "I have keys but open no locks. I have space but no rooms. You can either but no go outside. What am I?" Kano thought deeply and replied, "It's a keyboard." Kiwi was impressed by Kano's clever answer. Pleased with the tiger's wit, Kiwi offered another riddle. "I am full of holes, yet I can still hold water. What am I?" Kano thought again and answered, "It's a sponge." Kiwi grinned and said, "You are right." Kano was amused and realized he enjoyed the challenge. Kiwi then explained how curiosity saved their lives that day. Thank you. This is momobells. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.